I am Radhika Dilanku from University of Jaffna. This is the second part of assembly programming video tutorial. Okay, in a study point of view, this is also a type of language, just like Java, C++, or any other language you may know. There are syntaxes here, and there are methods, and there are some other things you may need to know about. In our main structure, you can see we have defined our model as small. But what is that? There are other models also available. You can search through the internet, as well as you can try as tiny model, tiny as well. And also you can see here we have allocate for the stack 100h. What is this 100h? Okay, let's see. Go to calculator, then change it as programmer, then go to the hexadecimal, hex, because we are dealing with hexadecimal, that's why we are putting 100h here. Then type 100, then you can see this is 256 in decimal. We have allocated this much of memory for our program. There is another important thing, that is the end program. The end program is not a technical end for the program. That means this will not end your program technically. The compiler don't understand here we are ending our program. Earlier I said you that the program with this colon is a label that only sends for the user. That means we can understand we are starting our program here and we are ending our program here. But for the compile understanding, we need to type a set of code. You will learn in next videos. Now I am going to show you that how to save your document. To save your document, go to File, then click Save. You need to save your document in a specific folder. That is, go to C drive, then TASM 1.4, then go to TASM folder. You need to save your document here because we are calling the compiler, that is TASM, is situated here, that is the bin file of TASM. And also we are calling the T-link, the T-link exe also in this folder. You can see below. When you call this T-link and TASM, your file should be there. That's why we are saving the file inside this folder. Then you can give any name you wish, test5, then click save. Then you can see your file automatically named as test5.asm because we changed the language to assembly in language menu. So until now we have installed TASM, we know the basic structure of the TASM programming, and we have written something, and also finally we save that document in a specific location. I think it is time to compile and run our program, but you know our program will do nothing because with this code the program will do nothing that can be visible. Okay, if you got my point from the beginning, you will have some problem because our program will compile and then we run our program, it should go to an abnormal status. Okay, I will show you, but if you got the point, you need to know what and why. Let's see. To run our program, go to start menu, then type TASM, then you can see TASM 1.4, then open it. It will open the DOS box as well, and you can see this command line. Then you can type TASM space your file name. Our file name was test5.asm, then click enter. Then you can see turbo assembler version 3.0 and error messages none, warning messages none. That means we have successful. Then we need to type T-link as I said before, t-link space, then you need to type test 5 not tasm dot obj, then click enter. Then you can see if it is complete the link, you can see turbo link version 2.0 like that. Then to run your program you need to type only test 5, that means your program name. Okay, what is the abnormal status? I have said you that. Okay, you can see when I press enter, yeah, that's the abnormal status. We write our program but we didn't end our program. I said that the end program, that the label is not the technical end, so our program is being not end, it is still running. That's the abnormal status. Then in next video I will show how to prevent this abnormal status and how to write the correct program. Your first program will be in next video. Stay with us. That's enough for this tutorial. We will meet on next tutorial. You are free to comment, share, like and anything.